all, welcome back after a short break. Today I am starting a new chapter, verbs and its kinds. So before learning about verbs, I am just giving a quick revision of sentence and its parts. So let's revise. Read these words. Playing is Ram with ball her. It makes no sense. Ram is playing with a ball makes sense. When I have arranged these words in a proper order, I am getting a meaningful sentence. So a sentence is a group of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. Now rules of making a sentence. It makes complete sense. It begins with a capital letter. It ends with a full stop. As in the sentence, I have started my sentence with a capital letter and ended with a full stop. But sometimes the sentence ends with a question mark or with an exclamation mark. So that depends on kinds of sentences. Now, each sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. The person or thing we speak about is called the subject. What is said about the subject is called the predicate. For example, a man helped the blind man. So a man is the subject as we are speaking in about a person. Help the blind man. What are we speaking about a man? This is a predicate. The subject and the predicate may each consist of a single word or a number of words. Objects. Words that are added to the verbs to complete their meanings are called object. For example, the verb in the sentence is help, and after help I have added the blind man. So the blind man here is the object. If I put a question, what or whom to the subject, I get an answer. Whom did the man help? The blind man. So the blind man here is object. Now the structure of a sentence is, the subject is usually at the beginning of a sentence. After the subject comes the verb and objects are placed after the verbs. So example is, the cow eats grass. So the subject is the cow, doer of the action. What action? Eats. So eats is verb and grass is object. This is the receiver of the action. So here, what did the cow eat? The cow eats grass. So I am getting an answer with the question word what. So this is object. Now subject and objects are nouns or pronouns. Now let's study verbs. So a verb is a word which says something about a subject. They are also called action words. For example, the man. The man is the subject. The action word is killed and the object is a snake. So the man is doing the action of killing and action is done by the subject. And what action is done? Killed. And what did he kill? He killed a snake. So the sentence has three parts now. Subject, verb and object. Now kinds of verbs. First is transitive verb. A verb which requires an object after it to complete its sense is called a transitive verb. For example, the boy pulled the box. So the subject is the boy and the action is pulled. Now when I put a question, what or whom to the subject, I can easily find the object. For example, what did the boy pull? The answer is the box. So the word box is called the object to the verb pull. So this is a transitive verb. Now intransitive verb. A verb which does not require an object to complete its sense but makes good sense by itself is called an intransitive verb. For example, birds fly. Birds is subject and fly is verb. So this verb itself is giving a full meaning in the sentence and it is not adding any other word. So the verb fly itself is giving complete meaning and it does not require an object. If I put a question, what did birds fly? There is no answer. It means it is not having an object. So this is called intransitive verb. Now, verbs also tell what they are. For example, I am a teacher, we are farmers, it is a rose. So the words am, are and is tell us what something or someone is. So they are called being verbs. Now we can easily understand being verbs are am used with I, is and are used in present tense, it is with singular, are with plural. Was and were used in past tense, was in singular, were in plural. Be is the base form of the verb. Been and been are again used in past tense. Has, have and had are verbs which show possession or ownership or belonging. For example, she has some new story books. So these story books belong to her. I have a pen. This pen belongs to him. They had some new stamps. So these new stamps belongs to them. Now, verbs also tell us what people are saying, thinking, and feeling. Such verbs are called saying verbs. For example, I think this is a good idea. This picture looks very nice. So, these words are here saying verbs. So, today I am just explaining till here. Tomorrow I will start with a new chapter.